The Louvre Museum, a place where history, art, and mystery collide like nowhere else on Earth. It's not just a museum, it's the most visited museum in the world, home to some of the most priceless and legendary masterpieces ever created. But here's the real question: how do you explore it without getting lost in its endless halls? Stay with me, because I'm about to take you on an exclusive journey through the must-see artworks, hidden gems, and insider tips to make your visit absolutely unforgettable. Welcome to Lost and Globe, your ultimate travel guide to the world. The moment you step into the Louvre, you're walking into centuries of history. Originally a medieval fortress in the 12th century, it later became a royal palace before transforming into the world-famous museum we know today. And yes, it's massive, covering over 6,500,000 works of art. So, unless you have weeks to explore, you need a game plan. Let's start with the star of the show, the Mona Lisa. She's the most famous, mysterious, and talked about painting in the world. But here's the truth: she's smaller than you think and always surrounded by crowds. Want the perfect view? Visit early in the morning or late in the evening when the crowds thin out. And don't just snap a selfie. Take a moment to really look at her eyes. They follow you wherever you go. Creepy or genius, you decide. Next up, the Winged Victory of Samothrace. This isn't just a statue. It's one of the most breathtaking pieces of art ever sculpted. Standing at the top of a grand staircase, this masterpiece of Greek mythology and movement is a must-see. It's so powerful you can almost feel the wind in its flowing robes. And of course, Venus de Milo, the goddess of love and beauty, standing tall, elegant, and still full of mystery after more than 2,000 years. What happened to her arms? No one knows for sure, but that only adds to her mystique. But here's something most tourists miss: the Louvre's underground secrets. Did you know you can actually see the remains of the medieval fortress that once stood here? It's like stepping back in time, walking through the original walls, built nearly 800 years ago. And if you love mysteries, there are rumors of secret tunnels beneath the museum. Some say they connect to the city's underground catacombs. Now, let's talk about how to explore the Louvre like a pro. First, skip the long lines by booking your tickets in advance. And don't enter through the main glass pyramid. Use the hidden entrance at the Carrousel du Louvre instead. It's a game changer. Also, wear comfortable shoes because, trust me, you'll be walking a lot. And don't rush. The Louvre isn't just a place to see art. It's a place to experience it. Take your time, get lost in the beauty, and let history surround you. Paris is filled with wonders, but the Louvre Museum is truly a world of its own. Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, or just someone who wants to stand in the presence of human genius, this is a place you absolutely cannot miss. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you would see in the Louvre? See you in the next adventure.